Sant Jordi Church. This church was devoted to Alcoi's patron saint, Sant Jordi. Blessed in 1921, it is a historicist, neo-Romanesque construction designed by Timoteo Briet, with a carefully decorated interior of neo-Byzantine influences. Devoted as it is to the reliquary of Sant Jordi, it contains two images of the saint, one as an epic equestrian figure and the other of a polychromatic infant Sant Jordi, which is known as El Chicotet. Both of these images are paraded through the streets during the city's festivities in April. The most outstanding feature of this place of worship is the great mural that presides over the apse. It is the work of painter Fernando Cabrera, and it depicts the legendary intervention of Sant Jordi when he came to the aid of Alcoy's Christians in their fight against the Moorish troops of Al-Azraq in 1276. It was the spiritual spark which ignited the now internationally known Moors and Christians festival of Alcoi.